intern. I started working for the company 3 weeks ago, so as a result, I had to start remotely. At first, it was a bit scary because I have never done an online onboarding before, but thanks to a couple of Zoho apps, this process became totally easy. The first app is Zoho Meeting, where I had the chance to meet with my coach, receive online training, see share screens of my team, and a lot more. I never felt physically distant. It was as if we were working side by side. The second app is a set of tools for collaboration, such as Zoho Sheets, Zoho Show, and Zoho Writer. Thanks to them, I was able to work on my first project and collaborate directly with other members of my team, receive feedback, and keep track of any changes. I am now on my third week, and I can really say that the online onboarding process was no problem for me, and I am ready to move on to my next challenge.